Good morning. Kelly here with Lowcountry Spotlight. Happy Friday.
I'll be back.
I am here on Ladies Island, and I'm super excited to share with you what I'm about to share. So many of you who have been on Instagram have probably seen some of the sneak peeks that this business behind me has been putting out there. And today they are officially open to the public starting right now at 8 a.m. Oh, it's kind of spitting out right now, but that's all right. So where am I? I'm on Ladies Island, and I'm going to walk over here and see if you can see behind me the kitchen. So as many of you know, the kitchen has a marketplace that offers grab-and-go items, take-home, take-and-bake items. They make it super easy when you've had a long day at work, or you just want to go in and grab a quick lunch or bite. And the food is made in-house. It's so delicious. And so it got so popular that what did they have to do? Expand, right? So right behind me is the new renovated, expanded part of the kitchen on Ladies Island. And let me tell you, I just did a quick walkthrough. It is incredible. So I'm going to take you inside and we're going to check out everything that they have to offer. You guys are going to love this. I'm starving right now just by going through and looking at some of the stuff that they've got. I mean, it is taking the marketplace to an explosion. So I'm going to flip the camera around. Comment below if you've hopped on. Let me know when you're going to come over and check out this awesome expanded kitchen here in Beaufort on Ladies Island. Let's go in and take a look. Okay, I'm going to actually step out into the parking lot so you can get a visual of where this is located. Now, this is in the Graco parking lot, for those of you who are unfamiliar. Right there, we've got the original marketplace. That's where you would go in, you'd grab your grab-and-goes, your take-and-bakes, your lunch, your dips, your soups, your things like that. And then what they did is they expanded over here to this huge space that is perfect for getting together for a coffee, for a quick bite to eat, for breakfast before work. So let's go take a look. There's already some people that beat me to it that are getting their breakfast. So as you can see over there, that's the entrance to where we've always come in to get our, our take and bakes and our lunch and everything like this. Now, this side does not open till 9 a.m. But for those of you who are not familiar with this side that's been here for years, again, they open at 9 over on this side. And it looks like they've done a little bit of renovating here too. So actually, I'm not even allowed in, I don't think. Back there is where all the magic happens in the kitchen, folks. This stuff is all made in-house. And this is the part that we all fell in love with here on Ladies Island, the original kitchen, the gourmet marketplace. But then, what did they do? They opened the curtains to this beautiful space. Tons of seating. The atmosphere is just incredible. Now, they're going to be open from 8 to 2, starting now. Stay tuned to their Instagram and their Facebook page to find out their extended hours. But check this out. Oh, my word, I'm hungry already. So we've got I'm going to start at desserts, right? That's what I do. Sweet treats, desserts, grab and go. Oh, my word. Now, it looks like they've also got some of their dietary items that they've always carried next door. So things like if you're on keto or you're gluten-free, you've got a gluten-free Reese's peanut butter pie. Lori Thompson, if you're watching from Nuances, check that out. Same here. We got the gluten-free key lime pie. Oh, wow. All right. Craving something green. We've got green salads. Now, again, they just opened, so they are still stocking up the shelves. I just had to get here first thing in the morning because, that's what I do. So all of their incredible salads they've got, the superfood, the quinoa power salad. Oh my gosh. Again, they're still stocking sandwiches for kids. So you know what? If you're on your way to take your kid to school and you just didn't have time, to make that sandwich, stop on in. Check out the size of that sandwich. It's only $5, y'all. Great stuff. Again, more items for if you didn't have time to make that kid or your kids lunch. You've got some healthy snacks here too. You've got veggies and hummus, some fruit snacks, apples and caramel, apples and peanut butter. And y'all know I love their dips. If you haven't had their dips, you're missing out. The kitchen dip is by far, in my opinion, my favorite, the best, but they are all excellent. I don't think I've ever tried the fried pickle dip, so there you go. There's one for me, a new one. Now your frozen appetizers, again, they are known for a lot of items that you can just grab, take home, and bake. So they've got some frozen appetizers that they are putting together here. Again, they're still stocking because they have just opened. Come on in. Obviously, they're open at 8 o'clock. Right now, they're going to be open from 8 to 2. So they're doing breakfast. There's some breakfast sandwiches I'm going to show you right around the corner, but we've also got lunch on the go, deli salads, sandwiches and wraps. Y'all know I am a wrap fanatic. I love their wraps, especially their steak wrap. One of my favorites. I think I've said favorite way too many times, right? Because I'm sorry, it's just everything here I love. Check out this. You want a little sweetness for your breakfast? These peach Danish. And here's where we got some more grab and go items. So it looks like we've got some breakfast sandwiches. Again, this is all super affordable, folks. If you don't have time to make those kids their breakfast before school, grab a $5 biscuit. Croissants. It's a little foggy here, but that's okay. Fresh veggie sandwich. Oh wow, that looks delicious with their herb cream cheese and hummus. Now I'm going to do a little bit of a pan so you can kind of see how big this location is. So they've expanded a lot of the, the marketplace items as well. So you've got your chips, your snacks, your beef jerky, just all sorts of great things. You can come by, don't worry, unless you're camera shy. Say hello.
All the oatmeal cream pies, fudge round, all the goodies.
Wait, are those your Danishes over there? I might have to grab one. Nobody tell my husband. He told me not to buy anything because he knows this place well. Love your videos, by the way.
Thank you.
I was stalking Instagram last night. Okay, so more, marketplace items. This is also a great place to put together, like a gift basket for maybe a friend at work or maybe a new neighbor, share with them a little bit of the Lowcountry. A lot of different items here. I've done that before where I've had new neighbors and we just put together something like a little basket, put a few things in there, and then also just mention, hey, it's from the kitchen right down the street. So yeah, a lot of their favorite marketplace items here. I'm telling you, you guys, this place is huge. They've expanded so much that there's just so much stuff in the marketplace as well as your grab and go items. It's like we've got our very own little grocery store of healthy, delicious gourmet items, and I love it. You camera shy? Say hello. Where are you from? You're enjoying your coffee this morning? From Caswell Construction? What do you think so far of the expanded kitchen? Yeah? What do you got there?
This is a ham and cheese croissant. It's actually pretty good.
Of course it's good. It's from the kitchen.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, enjoy. Thanks for coming in and supporting local businesses. All right, I won't keep y'all any longer because I really want to check out some food for myself, even though I told Steve I wasn't going to buy anything. But hey, you never know. So again, this is 136-4 Sea Island Parkway on Ladies Island. We are in the Graco parking lot. This is the expanded section. The section to the left, the The marketplace, the original marketplace, that's still open, still has your favorites, your grab and go items as well, your take and bakes for dinner, appetizers, things for entertaining, stuff like that. So come on down, shoot me a comment below, let me know what you love most about the kitchen and then their new expanded space. And I hope to see some of you here because I know I'm going to be here quite a bit. All right, have an excellent Friday. Don't forget, tomorrow is Cece's Honey Hole's 3rd anniversary party and fish fry. Starts at 4 p.m. That's at 901 8th Street in Port Royal. Campfire Tyler is going to be performing, so get on down there. Again, that's 4 p.m. at Cece's Honey Hole for her 3rd anniversary party. Hope to see you there as well. Stay tuned for more Lowcountry fun.